Sweet, sour, juicy, and totally irresistible. This shrimp, they're little flavor bombs. Hi, today we're making tomato shrimp. Start with some big, fresh, already butterflied shrimp. We're giving them a quick spot treatment. A dash of white pepper, a pinch of salt, a splash of cooking wine. Mix it all up so the shrimp feel properly seasoned. Then toss in a tablespoon of cornstarch, just enough to give them that light crispy edge. Let them chill and soak in the flavor for 15 minutes. Now let's talk tomatoes. We need the juicy, pulpy, naturally sweet kind. You know, the kind that makes you go mmm before they even hit the pan. Drop them in boiling water for 2 minutes. Peeling the skin becomes super easy. Then chop those tomatoes into little bits. We'll also need some ketchup. It adds that sweet and tangy kick we're looking for. Now heat up some oil in a pan. Once it's ready, gently lay the shrimp in. Medium heat is your best friend here. Once one side gets golden and crispy, flip them over. Do the same for the other side. When they're looking golden and fabulous, take them out. In the same pan, throw in some minced garlic. Let that aroma wake your neighbors up. Then add your chopped tomatoes. Cook them down till they look saucy and smell like heaven. Time to flavor it up. A squirt of ketchup, a splash of soy sauce, and a bit of sugar for balance. Stir it all together and boom, your tomato sauce is done. Now invite the shrimp back to the party. Let them get cozy in that delicious sauce. Toss everything together until those shrimp are totally covered. Finally, garnish with cherry tomatoes and chopped scallions. And now it's ready to serve.
Whoa!
A perfect balance of sweet and sour. Those shrimp are savory, juicy, and dangerously good. This is one of those recipes that tastes like a chef made it, but it's super easy to pull off in your own kitchen. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.